Do y'all see this stick blender? That's not supposed to look like that. Huh? What? Broken? How was it broke? What's up, my soaping friends? That seems so weird. I haven't said it in so long. Hold on, let me run it back. What's up, my soaping friends? I hope y'all have been well. I hope y'all been doing good, thriving and striving. I know it's been a while since the last time we talked, but you know, life be lifing. But no, your girl was on a hiatus. I took a little break. You know, I got burnt out of posting to like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. It was a lot and I got burnt out. So I took a little break. I gathered my thoughts. I took my time. Hello. And I'm back. The channel is still growing and I am thankful for that. We have definitely came a long way from those 23 subscribers. That's what's up. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have also been running my comments up with motivation, and I love that. I received that, and it's really because of y'all that like I'm back. You know, it's time. So I'm just gonna jump into this video. Clearly, I jumped right into this video with that, but right here, hey, how you doing? If y'all are new here, my name is Kiana. I am the owner of a soap company where we specialize in sending love in soap form. Not only will it get your body clean, it will motivate you in between, and it's way more than soap. It's a lifestyle, and spreading love, never hate is the motto. Alrighty, so I will be making 3 different soaps, but these are not for me to sell online for my store just yet. These are for a local wholesale order, and the cool thing is she wanted to add soap from my product line to her embroidered gift baskets. So I feel like this was right on time, a push out of procrastination from the good Lord himself so that I can do what I prayed for. It's only right. It makes no sense at all for my soaps to be in a gift basket and not sold by myself, right? So I have to get back in my craft and show up for my business. I have to. So in this video, I will be making me, myself, and I, harmony and unity. I know it looks like it's not gonna all fit, but I promise you it's gonna fit. It's gonna be a little intimidating, but it's gonna fit. But yeah, guys, take this as your sign to start back on that craft. If you fell off, it's okay to fall back. It's okay to take a break. But if that's the dream, chase that dream. So take this as your sign to jump right back in it. Be the dream. Be the change you want to see. Stop overthinking and just do it like Nike. Y'all let me know what's been up with y'all. What's tea? Everything good? We keeping it positive. It can be hard at times to keep it positive, but mindset is everything. You know, enough said. Right now, I'm just stirring the soap. It's 3 batches, once again. So I'm just stirring it just to let the oils and the lime meet and mingle before I go in with my stick blender. Keeping it very cute right now. And I also don't want to come to a thick trace because I'm working with 3 different soaps. So I want to keep everything fluid and at a light trace, and it'll last longer while I'm working throughout. The stick blender was sounding raggedy for sure. It's leaning. Is the real ones know that this was the stick blender I started out with, and it's showing its age, and it's gonna show its age in this video for real. Just continue to watch. Now, like I said, it's been probably 10, almost a year since the last time I made soap. I'm thinking that's why the stick blender is as raggedy as it was, because it ain't been running. So of course it was gonna break. As you can see right here, you can tell that it's because of the light trace. There is no trace. But this soap is Harmony, this is honey, and this is turmeric. I mixed a little oil from my base already with the honey just to like loosen it up a little bit. So I'm going to add the honey in there and then blend and so forth and so on. This stick blender so loose. The neck is so loose on this stick blender. It's ridiculous. Like, he can't even stand up. Po baby. Po baby. He was a real one. You know, he got the job done. He was there when he leaning. He was there when I needed him. But this will be the last video y'all see him in. So, goodbye to this man. But yeah, I'm just gonna give that a good mix. Incorporate that honey. Now it's 1,000, maybe not 1,000, but it's a lot of ways you can incorporate honey into your soap. This is just the way that I do it. Okay, now I'm gonna add in my turmeric. Damn, what happened to the clip? Golly, I gotta get with my this is starting to move fast now. I gotta get with my editor. I guess I'm talking too slow. But anyway, y'all, I added the turmeric, added my essential oil blend, mixing it up, blending it up, and now it's at a thicker trace. I'm finna pour this bad boy up and move on to the next. He did good on that batch. And when I mean he, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about the stick blender. Baby, I'm from Louisiana. Everything is a he. I don't know why, but everything is a he. This soap mold can be a he. Okay, let me stop. I'm doing too much. Anyway, but this is my what do you call these? What do you call these? I honestly cannot think of the name, but there they are, and they're gonna represent honeycomb. Like, I don't know why the name is not coming to me, but yeah, it's done. He is done. Moving on. Okay, as you can see, we are on to batch 2, and it's still looking good. It's not thick. It's looking good. Look, trace still light. You can't even see the trace on top. That's how light the trace is. We're gonna get this cleaned and ready to go. Easy and efficient. Think smarter, not harder. No, hold on, wait a minute. I'm terrible with sayings, y'all. Let me retry that. Work smarter, not harder. That's it. I was putting way too much thought into it. But yeah, normally I would have read some notes. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm the type to need notes just to stay on top of my progress. I wrote some notes, but I don't know. I just decided just to try to talk to y'all just to see, how that works. So if it sounds like I'm all over the place, that's because I am. I'm just gonna be honest. That's because I am all over the place. But hopefully it runs together. But yeah, this is just me pouring it up, you know, getting the accurate ounces for the batch. Okay, so this soap is Me, Myself, and I. I'm using Madder Roots for a pinkish color. And I will be lightening this color naturally with some, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And it's looking brown, but that's okay because once it cures, it's gonna be a nice, pretty pink color. And I would normally have used rose clay instead of Madder Root, but I lost my rose clay during the move, so you gotta improvise. The show must go on. But yeah, we're gonna get that mixed up, get that stirred in. I'm also gonna lighten that other color just a little bit because I don't want it to be like a yellow. I'm going for like a cream color. Like that, yes. Okay, so here is my pre-mixed, I'm about to say olive oil. No, Nick. This is my pre-mixed essential oil blend. I'm gonna thicken it up just a little bit. Split that up. Okay, so I didn't show y'all adding it because I was probably running low on storage, but you get it. I added the essential oil. Now we're gonna pour her up. And she goes. This will be a swirl soap. And she's gonna be topped with rose petals. Yes, and you know, this is that soap when people have been tap dancing on your nerves. You grab this and it's gonna like really calm you down in the shower. Come on, Kiana, swirl it. Okay, we're swirling. And I have no special technique, I promise you. I do something different every time. Just swirl it. I'm sure I know there's techniques, but I don't have one. And I've seen a lot of people say that I make it look so easy. Well, my first batch was very intimidating, but the more that you do something, the easier it gets. And you know, the more that you learn about a thing, it's like nothing. Stop overthinking. Make the soap. You've been talking about it, you've been looking at videos. Make the soap. Get you some ingredients and make the soap. Whoever needed to hear that, I don't know who needed to hear that. That like overcame my spirit to say, just make the soap. Buy you some little ingredients, a couple ounces of this, couple ounces of that. Get your little small loaf. Make the soap. Let it sit for 4 weeks or 6 weeks. Let it sit. Use the soap. Oh my goodness. I'm talking about make the soap. Do y'all see this stick blender? Do y'all see this stick blender? That's not supposed to look like that. Huh? What? Broken? How was it broke? We know why it was broke, because it was on his last leg. But baby, I got another batch of soap. Do you see that? I have a whisk in my hand. And I have another batch of soap to make. What am I going to do? What are we going to do, Fat Albert? What are we going to do? Baby, I look stressed. Stressed was me this day. Because, like, what? I got to hand mix this? And the soap I'm working with has, like, 3 colors. I'm supposed to hand whisk it? It's finna go left real fast, y'all. So the video finna be over with in a minute. Just want y'all to know. Cause baby, I'm stirring. Elbow gonna hurt. Look at that. The two on the outside look good. But no. I had to see it through though. But no, look at that. What is that? So of course this was the pH test on this one was a lot heavy because it wasn't mixed properly. It was very soft. It was not mixed properly. But I had to see it through. I went ahead and cut this. Of course, I will not be selling my customer this, but I went ahead and cut it and just wanted to see how it was going to act. But of course, she will not be getting this one. It's super soft. I just wanted to show y'all. This is me, myself, and I. Very pretty. You see, it's a pink color now. It's not brown. I told you. So, can we just get a... Ooh, now, don't they look good? But can we get a moment of silence for Bella, the stick blender? She was an awesome stick blender. Made plenty batches of soap. Yes, Lord, plenty. Was what I needed him to be when I needed him to be it. Except for this batch right here. Rest in peace, Bella. But these are the soaps. 2 out of the 3 came out perfect. I will be making a video for the remake with my new stick blender. So be looking forward to that. I have missed y'all so much. Your girl is back. Okay? She's back like she's never left. But thank y'all so much for watching. Like always, spread love, never hate. And I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.